The experience has been top notch. I feel good about spending my money here. I get what I'm paying for. And that would be ruined. That would be chipped up right now had I not had the paint protection film on there. It's worth every penny. When I was 13 years old, just to give you a brief little story, when I was 13, I worked across the field at a bait hatchery. And the owner's son bought a 63 split window. I was so fascinated by it. So I asked him if I could have a ride. Well, he said, sure, hop in. So I hopped in and he took me down the road and he went through the gears. And I mean, the thing, like I said, was a rattle trap, but man, I was really impressed. I told myself then I was going to have a Corvette someday, but I made the decision that this was going to be a car of a lifetime for me. It took me 50 years to get this car. When I first came here, Dan was so courteous. He took the time, didn't make me feel like he was in a hurry, he didn't make me feel like he wanted to get rid of me. A test of people's character is how they treat you when they don't think you can really do anything for them. So I kind of led you to believe I didn't even have a car, just someday I wanted one. Well, actually I did have one on order. So by the end of the conversation, I fessed up and told you, because I was given as much time as I wanted. I've never dealt with anybody any better, any more professional than here. There's so many roads that have stones and gravel on in our area that had I not put the paint protection film on there, I would be very upset. I'm not worried about it at all because I know when I'm hearing those stones hit the car that it's actually hitting that film and that it can be taken off, replaced. And no, it gives me peace of mind. I don't mind driving it. I've got 7,000 miles on this in just exactly 1 year. I can enjoy those miles because I'm not, when I hear those stones coming up, I don't have to sit there and just worry about it. And that would be ruined. That would be chipped up right now had I not had that on there. So it's worth every penny. Every time I picked it up here, and it's always immaculate. When I get it from here, like I said, I always feel like it looks better than when I do it. I don't know what you guys do, but it always looks super. And I'm proud to drive it because it looks good.